Class, good morning. Welcome back to our online class with Best English School. I hope you all are fit and fine and doing your homework daily. So, today in 4th standard we are going with English subject. In English we are learning our unit 10, Pinocchio. Today we will discuss the question answer of the story. So let's start. Our first question is, what did the carpenter buy? What did the carpenter buy? Answer is, the carpenter bought a piece of wood. The carpenter bought a piece of wood. Then what did he make out of it? What did he make out of it? Answer is, he made a speaking puppet out of it. He made a speaking puppet out of it. Then what did he call his puppet? What did he call his puppet? Answer is, he called it Pinocchio. Pinocchio. He called it Pinocchio. Then what did Pinocchio say in the end? Answer is, in the end Pinocchio said, I am glad to be a real boy. I will never tell a lie again. What he said? He said, I am glad to be a real boy. I will never tell a lie again. Then, how many words can you make from Pinocchio? How many words can you make from Pinocchio? So, pin, P-I-N, pin. After it, hop, H-O-P, hop. Then, chip, C-H-I-P, chip. Then chin, C-H-I-N, chin. Then chop, C-H-O-P, chop. After it, hip, H-I-P, hip. Then cop, C-O-P, cop. After it, nip, N-I-P, nip. Then hoop, H-O-O-P, hoop. Then O-N, on. And last one is no. So you have to make the different words from this Pinocchio. You have to make different words like that. Pin, hop, chip, chin, chop, hip, cop, nip, hoop, on, no. You can see all these alphabets are in these words. Okay. So you have to make this. After it, make opposites with the words. Make opposites with the words. First one is respect. Its opposite word is disrespect. Able, disable. Efficient, inefficient. On, disown. Capable, incapable. Secure, insecure. Okay. Then making naming words by using ness, t at the end of the words given below. You have to use N-double-E-S, ness, I-T-Y or T-Y. Okay. Let's see. Public, publicity, P-U-B-L-I-C-I-T-Y, publicity. Forgive, forgiveness, F-O-R-G-I-V-E-N-E-double-S, forgiveness. Kind, kindness, K-I-N-D-N-E-double-S. Moral, morality, M-O-R-A-L-I-T-Y. Stupid, stupidity, S-T-U-P-I-D-I-T-Y. Blind, blindness, BLINDNESS. Cruelty. CRUELTY. Swiftness. SWIFTNESS. Solidity. SOLIDITY. Okay. Then, which of the following would you expect a carpenter to use at work? Which of the following would you expect a carpenter to use at work? You have so many names, tools name. You have to write which of the tools carpenter use. Number 1 is bench. 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 Then plate. PLATE. Chisel. CHISEL. Spade. SPADE. After it, hammer. HAMMER. Nails. NAILS. Pencil. PENCIL. Okay, so these are the tools carpenter use. Then now make sentence using some of the above words. Number 1 is people eat with knife and fork at restaurant. The courtyard in my house is plain. Scissors are used to cut paper, hair and ribbon. Telescope is used to see distant objects. I love to sit on a bench in the park. Then give another word from the story. Completed, finished. FINISHED. Surprised, amazed. AMAZED. Strange, cure. QUEER. Make up your mind, decided. 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 Okay. Then add ER or R to the doing words below. Shift, shifter. Fight, fighter. Speak, speaker. Write, writer. Strange, stranger. Dance, dancer. Ride, rider. Use, user. Joke, joker. Okay. You have to use ER or R. After it you can make new sentence. Okay. New words like shift, shifter, strange, stranger, dance, dancer, ride, rider, use, user, joke, joker, fight, fighter. Then why did the animals think that jackal was a king? So the animals thought that the jackal was a king because he was looking unusual in blue color, just like a king, as per himself to be one. How did the jackal become blue? The jackal became blue because he jumped into a big tub of blue dye. What did the animals do when they saw the blue jackal? The animals believed the blue jackal to be the king and bowed before him. Why did the dogs feel scared when they saw the jackal? The dogs felt scared when they saw the jackal because he was looking frightening in the blue color. How did the animals know that the king was just a jackal? One day, at the middle of the full moon night, all the jackals were howling. The blue jackal forgot that he was a king and began to howl. Due to this, other animals came to know the king was just a jackal. laugh, fish, fan, few, cuff, dish, one, vase, rough, wish, run, due. Again, laugh, L-A-U-G-H, fish, F-I-S-H, fan, F-A-N, few, F-E-W, cuff, C-O-U-G-H, dish, D-I-S-H, van, V-A-N, vase, V-I-E-S, wish, W-I-S-H, run, R-A-N, due, D-E-W. So these are the question answer of this story. Let's see again. What did the carpenter buy? The carpenter bought a piece of wood. What did he make out of it? He made a speaking puppet out of it. Then you have to make the words pin, hop, cheap, chin, opposite words, respect, disrespect, able, disable, efficient, inefficient, on, disown, capable, incapable, and secure, insecure. Okay, then these words. So now you have to write this question answer in your notebook and learn it. In next lecture we will go with the other exercise of the story. Okay, so take your notebook, open the new page, write down today's date and day, unit 10, unit's name. After it, write down all question answer with good handwriting. Okay, so bye, have a nice day.